Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to add keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. First, open the Inspector tab. This can be found on the top right side of interface. Click on the clip in the timeline for which you want to add keyframes. Move playhead to the point in the timeline where you want to start zoom effect. In the Inspector tab, find property you want to animate. Click on the diamond icon next to property. This set initial keyframe. Move playhead to the next point in the timeline, where you want zoom to be at its maximum. Move playhead to where you want the effect to end or return to its original state. Adjust property to desired settings to create third keyframe. Use timeline or arrow key to navigate between keyframes. To fine-tune animation, you can adjust properties at each keyframe. Resolve will automatically create the animation between them. Play timeline to review zoom effect created by keyframes. If you need to make changes, go back to Inspector tab, navigate to the keyframes, and adjust properties. You can add keyframes for various effects, such as position, opacity, color, correction. Once you're satisfied with animation, save your project or export video. You have successfully added keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking video.